Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video. I blurred out the important information on the box. And today I am unboxing from the Dollar Shave Club. I have used their razors in the past, well, a razor in the past, when I was with my ex. This was like back in 2017 and 2018. And I really liked that razor, but I didn't want to join a club. Well, recently I was reminded of the razor, so I looked into it and I'm like, oh, I don't have to join and get a package every 3 months, 6 months, whatever. I can just add stuff to cart and do a one-time buy type thing. So I picked up a couple of things. I have a Gillette razor that I use now that I love, but the razor I remember that I used back in 2017 and 2018 was like the best razor I've ever used in my entire life. This is not sponsored. This is not an ad. This is just me doing an unboxing video, and I really do enjoy doing them. So I am yet to open this. I did cut the tape off, but I have not popped this. So we will see. This is cold because it was in the mailbox overnight. And I think that's actually frozen. That's what happens when you live in Maine. And today it was like -2 or -3, something like that. So hopefully that doesn't affect the quality too much. And hopefully when it thaws, it'll be good. I have sensitive skin. Especially during the winter, I get dry patches and I get really itchy legs. So I got that for that. Usually I just use regular body wash to shave with. So I got some replacement blades for when the blade goes blunt. Those look, from memory, those look very much like the ones I've used before in the past. Okay, now the razor I remember using before in the past was like blue, silver. Like it had like blue, silver, gray. But I guess that doesn't matter. But these most definitely resemble the quality of razor that I remember using in the past. So this is most definitely frozen. Today is, God, what's the date today? Okay, today is Saturday, January 15th, and according to my email, this arrived yesterday on Friday. So it was in the mailbox overnight. So yeah, that's definitely frozen solid. Oh, well, it's not frozen right here, but up here it is definitely frozen. Hopefully that doesn't diminish the quality too much. So yeah, this is what I ordered. And I'm hoping it is just as good as it was when I used it in the past. I have no doubts. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!